child discipline or child abuse. For many, it's a thin line between the two that's sparking debate following the installation of Attorney General Doug Moylan's new billboard.
I agree to that because I grew up good. I got spanked when I was naughty.
In my opinion, honestly, if it's under discipline, like a reason to set your kids straight, then yeah, it's okay. But then like when they just do it to like when they come home from work and they're stressed out or like they got a vent to their kids and they just beat them, that's a different story.
Images of a hanger, belt, and broom surround a larger billboard that illustrate a child focused on an iPad, underage vaping, and students fighting. The headline, Parents Teach Respect. Some admit that's how they were disciplined growing up.
Not too much of a reaction, only because I came from the South and I grew up, from that type of style of parenting. And to me, it was like, I felt normal about it, to be honest, because like kids do need disciplining. That's just me. A lot of other people have different opinions about it.
Others argue times have changed and they wouldn't pass that on to their kids.
I think there's a better way to discipline kids, and one of them is do away with all this electronic technology, modern technology, all these things that you see that take the kids away from family life.
For others still, while the images are jarring, it's about education. Scanning the QR code sends you to the Office of the Attorney General's website that explains this month's billboard. The website says the AG aims to, quote, help parents understand their options and the limited extent that the government should take in interfering with their parental rights.
I guess because there's like a stigma that most parents are afraid of disciplining their kids because they're afraid of the law, right? They're gonna get arrested if they discipline their kids, and most kids, what they do is they rebel against their parents because, oh, you can't touch me because I'll call the cops, I'll get you arrested, I'll go to CPS.
The billboard's explanation adds the Organic Act of Guam and the U.S. Constitution protects a parent and guardian's right to raise their child as a fundamental right, and that Guam law allows for, quote, corporate punishment as a form of discipline to help raise one's child.
And I guess that's what it kind of puts out, like information, I guess, like what's good, what to do and what to don't. What's like the fine line of abuse and what's not a fine line of discipline. Like whether it's good or bad, I can't tell you whether it's good or bad. I don't know.
Mitsuki Hirayama, KUAM News.